What's going on, guys? I'm making this video to show you guys how to replace the rear air vents on the BMW 1 Series. This one I've got here is an F20, but F20 and F21 is basically the same thing. So yeah, there weren't any videos on YouTube addressing these specific vents and how to get them replaced. All the other ones were showing, you know, you got to take the center console off, you got to disconnect some wires, take the whole thing off. But no, it's quite a simple fix, but there's one little trick you got to know when you do it. So yeah, what I did is I replaced it and then I put it back on just to make this video. So yeah, hopefully this helps someone out in like 5-10 years if they get this car. But yeah, I'll show you guys how to do it. So basically all you've got to do is, obviously you can see this vent here is completely destroyed. So you just get your pry tool. You want to get a plastic one so you don't scratch up the everything else. And then as you can see, that's coming straight off. That's literally destroyed. So yeah, you just pry into there, pull the top off, and you pull the side off as well, and that thing can probably come straight out. There you go. Alright, and then let me just show you the replacement. I got this one from Global. Where is it? Can't even find it. It's called Global Parts Limited UK, but that's the part number. You don't want to get a real one, you want to get an OEM one. This one costs like £16. The real ones go for like, genuine ones go for like £150, which is definitely not worth it. Alright, so now here you've got the clip that goes into the vent. So this clip is it took me about 30 minutes and I couldn't find any videos showing how to take it off. So what you've got to do is you've got to get like a pen or something with a pointy end, and you want to point it into that rectangle looking thing, not the circle one, the rectangle one. So if I point this in now, I'll show you. This is why it wasn't coming out. You can't just pull it out, unfortunately. So you got to put it into there like that. How am I going to do this? You put your thumb on the end of it to support. This is some ghetto way of taking the clip off, but yeah, you put that in there. You put your thumb on the end to support. Let me just lock in real quick. Damn. What the hell? Alright. There you go. You point that in, and then once you point that in, all you've got to do is you've got to just pull it out. There you go, that's it. So there's some sort of clip they've put on the top. Let me just show you guys. Some sort of clip they've put on the top here. So that's the part, you can see the little pen marks there. That's the square we pushed in. And then that's it, you pull it straight out. And that right there took me about 30 minutes to get that clip off. But that's mainly why I'm making this video. So bang, now you got the older vents out. You get your replacement ones. Oh, the light's turned off. And then, what way do you put it? You just connect that wire in, slap it straight in. So, with this, all you got to do is put it straight in. That's it, connect it. Make sure it's nice and snug. And that's literally it. You don't have to take the console out, center console out. You don't have to, you know, take any of these screws out. You literally just take the old one out using that pry tool, disconnect the wire, chuck the new one in, and now all you've got to do is slowly just, stick that right in there. That's it. That looks perfect now. It's a bit dusty. Should have cleaned it before, but it's fine. So look, I'm gonna turn the car on, and I'm gonna show you these ones are working now. Alright, let me put them on full blast. Actually, I don't even know how I'm going to show you guys they're working, but yeah, that's literally it. I can feel the air coming out. And yeah, that's it. That's how you replace the air vents on the BMW 1 Series. Thanks for watching.